What are some of the big talking points you've been having with some of the attendees at today's event?
For us, this event is crucial. It's the biggest event in our calendar year, not necessarily from a business development perspective, but mainly because it's a chance for us to meet all of our suppliers and the whole industry, really. So we're announcing that we're opening the largest data centre in the north of England with our Manchester data centre, which is completely engineered for AI, and that will be opening hopefully the beginning of 2026. So it's been a chance to meet suppliers who are interested in the tendering process, the building process, what that will mean for the region. It's been a great opportunity so far to launch what our next phase is and find out what our competitors are doing. It's just been a very successful event.
How do data centers intertwine with new AI technologies?
Well, essentially a data center, a human interacts with a data center more times they will interact with another human every single day. Every time you stream a song, every time you send a text message or WhatsApp or you check your email, everything is done via a data center. You are pinging information to and from a data center. So with the evolution of AI, the sheer amount of data centers necessary is, the demand is like nothing we've ever seen. We can't build data centers fast enough to keep up with that demand. So AI will only ever grow in what it does in our day-to-day lives. I'm sure all of us are using AI every single day now, and we need to build the data centers that cater for this huge growth in demand for AI.
Do you have any other predictions for, the data center space over the next 5 years?
Sustainability, obviously we're very, very power-hungry organizations. But the thing is, we're 100% sustainable. So we have all of our power that we use is linked to a UK-based asset, which is Little Cheney Wind Farm in Kent. So every element of power that we use, we put back into the national grid from wind power. We're also building solar panels, hopefully nearby our site in the future. And I think the sustainability question over data centers is probably the most compelling, and it's also the most kind of thought-provoking for a wider community. Unless you're in the data center industry and you're in the sort of technical details, it's what most laymen can relate to. So I think that it will really influence government policy moving forward as an industry, as a voice that we can speak about and have a real input into where our power comes from and the future of the national grid and the rewiring and the upgrading of that. And we have a real insight into how we can create something that's better for the environment, better for the world, and just, data centers aren't going anywhere, the internet's not going anywhere, so how can we do it better, how can we do it more sustainably, and how can we build a brighter future? So that's what I think the next phase will be for us.